Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to put more ads into your YouTube videos on YouTube. The first thing I want to mention, guys, in order to add more ads to your videos, you have to have a monetized YouTube channel. And in order to have a monetized channel, you need 4,000 watch hours and over 1,000 videos as well, right? So once you achieve this within the span of 12 months, then you can apply for the YouTube partner program and you can have a fully monetized YouTube channel that you can earn from YouTube AdSense. Now, that is the first criteria that you need. The second criteria in order to add more ads to your YouTube video is to have videos over 8 minutes, right? So once you have a video that is over 8 minutes, then you will have control of adding this. Now I'm going to go ahead and find a video that is over 8 minutes here and show you how you can easily go ahead and add this. So let's say I'm going to take this video here, which is over 14 minutes. What you want to do, you want to edit that video by clicking the details or the pencil icon there. Then on the left hand side where you have monetized, you want to click on that monetize option. And from here, you have the section that says ads, and you want to ensure that monetization is turned on. As you can see, you have on and off, so ensure that it's turned on. And then you also have the option that says place ads during the video mid-roll, right? So click on review placement, and here you will have the different options. So as you can see, I have only one ads there towards the end. Now I can go ahead and I can add various ad breaks and I can move them to where I want. So I can put one here and I can basically select that one and I can move it to wherever I want. I can add as much as I want. I want to mention to you that it does not matter how much ad breaks you will add into the video. YouTube is going to decide how many ads will be shown into your video. Now, as you can see here in this video, I've added 6 ad breaks. And what I'm trying to do is to increase the revenue of my YouTube video here, which is over 14 minutes. But a point to note, it doesn't matter if I put 6 or 10 or how much ad breaks I will add in this video. This will only be up to YouTube to decide how much they will show it. And the timing of these ad breaks as well will not be down to me. It will only be down to YouTube to show them. So you can only try to influence it by adding these ad breaks. But in the end, YouTube will decide how much of these ads they will show and where they want to show these ads. So in general, this is how you basically go ahead and add or increase your ad breaks within your YouTube video to try to increase your revenue. Now, once you do that, just simply go ahead and click on continue and just go ahead and click on save here. And that's how you can easily go ahead and add more ads within your YouTube video on YouTube. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.